This is one of our Warrior Plus affiliate accounts, and what you can see here, $34,402. This is passive affiliate commission. And in this video, I will show you step by step how any beginner or any professional or any experienced person from any experience level can earn this kind of money. And you can do it without website, without experience, without technical knowledge, without a mailing list, and without social media following. Sounds good? So what we do is we help people with information and education they are looking for. And for that, we use our software Epic. Link is in the description. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. I'm going to show you how we do it step by step in a moment. So these are the people who we help using information and education. And this information is free on the internet. So let's go. Jump right in. To help these people, we use our software Epic. It's an artificial intelligence software. Epic writes the scripts for us. Epic turns those scripts into natural sounding voiceover. And Epic makes videos using image, links, and text. And Epic makes bite-sized videos and compile them into a long video in just one click. Epic is free for my YouTube viewers. Link is in the description. Go grab it. Okay, before we begin, the goal of this channel is to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And you have an opportunity to participate in this noble mission by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines like Facebook timeline, Twitter timeline, and let everybody know about this opportunity. This way you help others, and others will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and client. Done? So go ahead, like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. Now, the most important thing in order to make money is to have a sincere interest to help others. The interesting part about internet is that internet is full of money. Everywhere on the internet there is money. Internet cannot run without money. So someone is always making money and someone is always spending money. All we need to do is to help people sincerely and make money. Yes, of course, for that we use our software Epic. We make videos. But unlike these videos, we make videos using Epic using image, links, and text. I'll come to that in a moment, but first let me show you paying customers. This is one of our processes. We do some research. It's kind of boring, but it's awesome. You find money in there. Look at this. I used Uber Suggest. You can use any tool for keyword research just to have an idea what people are looking for. And out of nowhere, I searched about background removal, remove background, image background, because I know this is an important task for a lot of graphic designers, web designers. And look what I found. Direct suggested keywords 1,000, related keywords 24,000, questions 109, prepositions and comparisons over 150. Now, over 650,000 people every single month search for remove background. 550,000 people search for background remove, and 60,500 people look for image background. All these hundreds of thousands of people need to remove background from images for many different reasons. And there are so many other keywords being searched hundreds of thousands of times every single month. And that is why just on Fiverr, there are 47,403 services available. These are the number of gigs offering this kind of service. And this is an example of one of the Fiverr gigs who approximately made $530,000, $500,000. Awesome? So how can we help people and make money? We can actually help people in two different ways. People who are looking for background removal, we can offer them this kind of service on Fiverr and other freelancer sites. Use some softwares and give them what they want and get paid. Another way to make money is teach people how to make money using this kind of gig. So because we have Epic, we can make videos and attract all kinds of customers and audience from YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. So here is what I would do, and this is what we do for affiliate marketing. We just took screenshots. This is a screenshot text, image, free image, and we said that you can make $530,000 from Fiverr with background removal gig. Then on the next section, I would say that you have only 3 steps. Number 1, search Google for free tools or background removal tools. Number 2, find these tools and use these free tools. And number 3, deliver and get paid. Then in the third section, I would say that, hey, I tried one, super awesome, it's so easy, just drag and drop, but there is a bad news. You have to pay to download high quality background removed image. That's a problem. So in the next section, I would say, I tried another one and it had the same problem. They are charging money for high definition download. Then I will agitate the problem that, hey, look, this service is not free. You can't remove background from an image for free. Free can be just a trial. And look at this. Either you have to go for monthly subscription or you have to go pay as you go, and that would be almost $1 per image. That's so expensive. Now I'm going to solve the problem. That instead of going for these expensive services, use softwares like DesignBeast. And look at this, I have unlimited credit for that. I just paid only once and I have got unlimited credit. And now I can serve unlimited clients with DesignBeast with unlimited credit by paying only once. You can do it too. DesignBeast link is in the description, go grab it. So I can say that, right? And in the next slide, if I want, I can show them bonus that, hey, DesignBeast is actually an awesome software. It has all other different tools that will help you solve your own problem or your client's problem and make more and more money from Fiverr and from other freelancer sites. So just using 7 sections and simply using screenshots, artificial intelligence, text to voice feature, and basically using Epic, I made an informative video, a helpful video to help people learn how they can make money online. That was super simple, and for this, I needed just 3 to 5 minutes. Now once I am done, I will click render and the video will be ready. I will upload and I will start getting results. Once you upload videos on YouTube, YouTube loves you. YouTube sends you traffic. That may be small, it can be 1 visitor, it can be 100 visitor, but you see this number? This is dollar per hop. Every visitor you get, this is the average income we earn. And you can do it too. All you have to do is to have a sincere interest to help people. Use the free information on the internet, just like using Uber Suggest, get ideas, look at how people are making money, or find other solutions of other problems that people might have, and tell them using softwares like Epic in the form of video without even showing yourself in the camera. That is so easy, you can do it too. Just go ahead, do it. And tell them, hey, if you want your solution, link is in the description and in the first comment, go grab it. They will love you, they will follow you, and they will buy from you. From my experience, I have seen people even coming back and asking for my links. And I tell them, hey, this is my affiliate link, I will get commission. They say, no problem. You helped us with information, I will buy from you. Or I will love to buy from you. So online is a beautiful place to make money from. You need one simple goal, and that is to help people sincere. Oh, by the way, all the videos we make using Epic can be accessed as an Epic user. So when you add a new slide, you can click here and get access to all our videos. By the way, for long videos, I have to upgrade, but short videos are available for everyone. Epic is free. Link is in the description, go grab it. I will also leave the link of DesignBeast in the description as well. We just made a money-making Amazon product review using our artificial intelligence software Epic. First, I will show you the product review that we made, and then I will show you how we made it step by step. So let's begin.
Your brand new iPhone can break if it drops from your hand. We read an article on CNET.com that a drop from hip height can break the back.
Now I'm going to fast forward and quickly show you how we made the whole product review in just a couple of minutes. We basically copied, pasted texts whenever we needed. Whenever we need the image, we simply copy the image URL, paste it right here, hit enter, and immediately the image is on the canvas. How cool is that? Pan it, rotate it, make it smaller, bigger, do whatever you want. You want to add some text to describe something? copy from anywhere, go to the text section of Epic and just paste it. Then simply click the add text button and the text is here, and you can do all kind of formatting, rotating, panning, zooming as you want, change font if you want, change color to meet your taste. To add a voiceover, go to the audio section, text to audio section, click the add button, give it a title, choose type of voiceover and the voice artist of your choice, add the script, edit it if you want, add, delete, do whatever you want. Whenever you are happy, click the submit button and your voiceover is ready. So awesome. Go to the text audio section, click add, and the voiceover is added to the clip. And formatted the text. Whenever we need image, simply copy the URL of the image, go to the image section, paste it, and the image is added. Then we take screenshots. This is a free screenshot grabbing software we use, which is basically a Google Chrome extension. And here is the customer testimonial section. We just added customer testimonials because it has such an awesome feedback from the customers. We customize the text whenever we need, however we want it, just to match our taste, to make it as nice, as professional as possible. Basic editor, but very powerful. It has everything you need. Now, when we want to add a voiceover, we just need to grab a text from anywhere, add the text and turn it into a natural voiceover. To make it natural and real voiceover, sometimes we add, sometimes we edit, and sometimes we use our AI, built-in artificial intelligence, to modify the text, and then take that text, put it in the text to voice section and turn it into a voiceover. There are total 6 sections and it took total 10 to 15 minutes of your time to make a money-making persuasive product review. And whenever you are done, simply click the render button and the video will be rendered in the background. So did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online, and we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want you to participate in that. And for that, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts. Share this video on your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter timelines. When you do and people find this video awesome, they find that you are sharing awesome information, helpful information, they will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. So go ahead, like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money making video. And we will see you in the next video.